There are more changes in Australian immigration. This time it's the training visa, subclass 407. As of 11th of March 2026, the sponsorship application and the nomination application have to be approved before you can lodge a visa application. Prior to the 11th of March, you could lodge all the applications at once. And this is important for both applicants as well as employers. Because if you are an applicant and you are currently in Australia and you want to stay in Australia and, for example, keep working and keep living your life here, then you obviously need to lodge the new visa application before your current one expires so that you get a bridging visa. And training visa sponsorship nomination can take up to 1 year, maybe even more. So you really need to plan ahead, and you may also need to consider different solutions and alternatives to make it work. And also, if you are an employer and you are relying on people on training visas and sponsorship and so on, you need to really plan ahead. And I do recommend to get advice from an immigration lawyer and or a registered immigration agent. My office offers consultation appointments by Zoom video call, so you can book that online on our website. And as I always say, these changes, they can just come like this. So only a few days ago, we had this big change about the 485 graduate visa with a fee rise, like double the price from 2,300 up to 4,600 now. And that happened literally overnight. Now we have the training visa update, and God knows what's going to happen in the future. And this all happens, on a regular day in March. So the big changes are coming. They're definitely coming on the 1st of July, which is the start of the new financial year. And that is only a few months away. And remember that you need to always plan and organize your applications. So now is the time to get organized if you want to lodge by the 30th of June, which I highly recommend if you are ready and if you are eligible. If you don't know if you are eligible, then definitely book in for a consultation, because during the consultation appointment, we assess your eligibility. We make sure that you are meeting the requirements of the relevant visa. If you don't know which visa, we do a full assessment and we'll see which visas you are eligible for. That is crucial, because otherwise you're wasting your time, your money, and your energy. And so 1st of July is definitely when changes occur, the big changes, and also when all the fees go up because of inflation and so on. So every 1st of July, the fees go up, and not just inflation, 3%, 5%. Some visa application charges will go up a lot further. For example, we saw a massive jump in partner visas and other visa subclasses. So I always say, lodge as soon as you are eligible. That is super important. Why wait? What is the point of waiting? So to sum it up, my name is Manuela Siebert, and I'm the founder and director of Auspire Immigration. And I have a team of immigration lawyers, migration agents, and education agents. We assist with all visa subclasses, with all visa types, and we offer consultation services for advice, and then we also offer the assistance with the actual visa process. And we work with employers and also with applicants. So send us a message, contact our office, or you can also go to our website and book the consultation. And please take action. Don't wait, don't procrastinate, and because we just don't know what's going to happen in the future. We've seen it recently with the 485 changes. Now we've seen it with the 407 training visa changes, and there will be more changes happening in the future. That is for sure. So I look forward to hearing from you, and take care.